Good afternoon, my fellow ghosties. Today, we'll be making the rose, which is the third box in the 3 set from 5below, which you get a jasmine, a lavender, and a rose. We've previously done these two, so we're gonna go ahead and do the last one. She's 106 pieces, and let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. Cute little purple pot. So again, we're gonna start with these little stones. And we're also gonna need a small little circular guy. So the first one we're gonna place is this black one, which I believe is gonna go here. This tiny black piece will go here. And this gray one, I'm not quite sure where he's gonna go. So 1, 2, in the third row. I think somewhere in the third row. Maybe there. Kind of. If. Will it go there? Okay, we're gonna go there for now. Okay. We are also supposed to take a small base and a little bud. And this is supposed to be placed right here. And we take a small circular piece and this three leaf piece. Hellishly tiny pieces, but it's worth it once you work through it, I promise. I already did this twice. And she is gonna go here. Okay. Now we're gonna build a leaf. So we're gonna have one of these little connector pieces, and we're gonna attach a grabby end to one side, going up and down, and we're gonna attach a leaf to that. And we also need to add a circular bud, a circular guy, a small one. Don't do that. Do not do that. Okay, we can just move it back into place. So you should have this, and then you're gonna add a long circular fella underneath. Okay, and then we're putting her aside for now because on step 5 you're supposed to grab a circular piece and add 4 double blocks. Oh, because they're in white. I'm looking for green. Sorry about that. It's these guys. So, standing up. You see? Like so. Okay, and then we're going to put her down because it looks like we're going to make the petals that go around her. So we are supposed to take 2 of these fellas and attach them to one of these guys. Like so. And then we flip her over and add a tiny petal on the left side. And it says we're supposed to do that twice. So here's 1, here's 2. Okay. So we add, we flip, and then we're supposed to add tiny petal to the left side. Now, we're supposed to grab what we already did and then attach here. I hope this is what she's supposed to look like. Okay. And we put her down. Oh, we're doing the same thing 2 more times. Okay. Ah, where'd you go? There you are. Okay, we're gonna make 1 more. Tiny petal, tiny petal. Tiny petal. Here. No. What do we talk about, boys and girls? Gently but firmly. This is driving me bananas. Okay, so this I believe is what you're supposed to have. And then we're supposed to flip her over and attach the leaf we made. So it should look like this. And she will be planted, I believe, here. Cute. Okay. So we're going to make leaf structures by having long circular and 3-pronged piece on top. And we're supposed to do this twice, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Now we're supposed to grab a leaf and attach a grabby end. Okay, and then we grab the cylinder we made and attach. Don't do that. Okay. And it looks like on step 11, we're supposed to mount them on top of each other. Okay. And on step 12, you grab a small cylinder along with a grabby piece, and this will be placed at the top. Like that. And then we're flipping over, move her to the side. We are going to grab this wheel and we are going to double stack circular pieces. So 1, 2. Then we are inserting this round cylinder. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, yeah. In the center. So we are going to insert another one of these circular through this spear, cylinder, whatever we want to call her. And then we're going to make a little bud. So we are going to grab the third circular piece. We are going to attach this open-ended flower base. If I can get her on there. Is it the wrong way? I think I got it on the wrong side. I do. I had it on the wrong side. Okay. And then we insert the little flower bud. Like that. And she will be placed on top. So we should be having this, and then we're gonna put her down. And for step 16, it looks like we're making 12 petals. So, looks like we're repeating this step infinitely. Okay, so we are supposed to grab petal, grab square, place her on top, and then underneath we're supposed to add this little two prong underneath. So we should do that 12 times. Whew, okay. Now, on step 17, we are going to turn them over and attach the pink grabby pieces. Like so. Okay. Now, okay, it looks like we flip this piece upside down and we add 4 petals on the outside, on the topmost ring. Okay, and then we flip her over and we're adding 2 on the second ring. We're adding, be careful. We're adding 2 and then we flip over or switch sides and add 2 more. So then on 21, we are supposed to add 2 on opposite sides. So 1 on that side, and then 1 on this side. And then for 21, again, you fill in the gaps. So opposite sides. Uh-oh, she's coming off. Okay. Fixed. No, not fixed. Fixed. Okay. This is making me nervous. Okay. Okay. And then we're supposed to flip her over. What are we doing down here? We're adding this guy. Where exactly are we adding him? I'm so nervous. Where does this fella go? Like, does he fit there? Does he fit here? Does he fit like this? I'm scared because the pedals are moving and I'm trying not to freak out. This is so embarrassing. Oh, we found purchase. We found purchase. Okay. Okay. Doesn't matter. Okay. We have it. And then we're supposed to attach this guy. Ah, come back. Here. Okay. And then where is she supposed to go? She is supposed to go right here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Okay, but are you on there? But are you on there? Okay, I think so. Okay, so you're back on. No. Okay. Okay, we can do this. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Okay. Okay. And then we just supposed to uh-oh, homie. Hold on. Oh, oops. Okay. Okay. I don't know. She kind of looks like it. I'm scared to move her anymore in fear of losing pieces. But I think that's what she's supposed to look like. I mean, yeah, maybe. I'm gonna go with it. Let's see. Nope, that's what the box looks like. Yep. Okay. I did fine. Huh. I did fine. No! I should have left it alone. I should have left her alone. Where are you? I'm just trying to put you back and then I won't touch you anymore. Okay, we're leaving her alone. There she goes. That's the rose. Sorry, she's just moving so much that it scares me. Okay, so this is she. This is the rose. This was the lavender, for those of you who hadn't seen it. And this was the jasmine. So once again, if you want this set, run to 5below. All three together is $5. It's not a bad deal, but you have to deal with hellaciously small pieces. I should have clued myself in because it literally says micro bricks. Wasn't thinking. Just saw how cute they were and said I had to have them. And I think I also got the other set, so woo! Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with your peeps. I would love the support. And watch some more of my content. Love you guys. Bye!